Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the PEIPEI update today. Now there is a pattern that I kind of recognize here, and it's a little bit of a distribution going on, maybe a head and shoulder trying to be printed out, so it could be clear on the 15 minutes time frame what we're trying to do. Now if you take the trend line and drop the trend line, I think you're making some break right now. So you have you see support there, support, break to the downside, you're coming up for the retest. So there could be a move down from PEIPEI at the moment, and that is going to be from there to there, and we might just actually see a drop to 12,948. Now the reason this may happen is simply because of the retest, right? So we haven't seen a retest, proper retest. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame here, we've actually broken from this department, but we haven't we broke with strong move. It was a very strong move that we didn't get the time or an opportunity to see at a retest and then go back up. So there could be chances you come down and you make that retest. Now this can also help or it can actually be a potential good entry if it does actually come down to this trend line. And hopefully when you touch the trend line, there could be chances that we see this move happening during the weekend. Today, Saturday, Sunday, maybe in the next 4 days you might actually just end up coming down, and especially the pattern here also shows that it can actually come down. So this move down is just a correction. I think it's a normal correction down to that trend line, and then bounce off the trend line, and then you start another wave and another push to the upside. And if things get amazing, because as I told you in previous videos, that this has been resistance, that was resistance, and this was another resistance here, and it was crucial for you to break above, which you didn't do it. Okay, this still got rejected here a couple of times, so that is a bad sign. Or if you're not going to come down, another scenario is that we might just, if things get good, if the market suddenly gets bullish, maybe come up to 18,748, and that's the price that I've talked about before as well, that if you come up here, at least what you get to see is you have broken that trend line and retest it, and hopefully the next target becomes 22,814. So that's all for the very quick update on the coin itself, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.